Can I recharge my own air conditioner? Yes, but only if you know the exact refrigerant type, the system is low for a real reason, and you follow the safety and legal rules where you live. A lot of people think adding refrigerant is as easy as pouring something into a tank, but an air conditioner is a sealed system, so if it is low, that usually means there is a leak somewhere. The refrigerant is the special fluid that moves heat out of your house, and if the amount is wrong, the system can cool badly, ice up, or use more electricity. You also need to know that some systems use different refrigerants, and mixing the wrong one can damage the unit. Before you even think about charging it, check the label on the outdoor unit and make sure the system is actually low instead of having a dirty filter, a blocked coil, or a bad fan. A helpful clue is that low refrigerant often shows up as weak cooling, ice on the lines, or the air from the vents feeling only a little cool. If your system has a leak, topping it off is only a short fix because the problem will come back. A smarter move is to find the leak first, fix it, and then charge the system to the right level. That saves money and helps the air conditioner last longer. One common mistake is adding refrigerant without checking the exact type and amount, which can hurt the compressor fast, so always read the unit label and use the correct method. Another mistake is assuming low refrigerant is the only reason for poor cooling, when a dirty filter, dirty coil, or bad blower can cause the same problem, so start with the simple checks first. A third thing to watch is safety, because refrigerant can freeze skin and eyes, and some systems require special handling by a licensed technician, so do not guess if you are unsure. Also, many people do not know that overcharging can be almost as bad as undercharging, because too much refrigerant can raise pressure and make the system run hotter. If you are seeing ice, hissing, or repeated loss of cooling, stop and get the leak checked instead of just adding more. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.